You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase, the name of this brand. If you want to learn more names from fashion, brand names that can be confusing and there are many they mispronounce, stay tuned to the channel. We've got tons coming up for you at the end of the video. The brand name is pronounced as Selkie, okay? Not Selkie or Selkie, Selkie as in a Selkie dress. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.